Well, g'day, and welcome to another episode of Kiwi Car Life. And today, my girlfriend Angel is going out on track for the very first time. We're going to give you a few lessons. We're in my cheap $7,000 BRZ, which has now all been fixed up. Let's see how we go here. I began by teaching her what lines to take and when to brake into corners. And then turn in, hit the apex. Yep, hit the apex and go right to the outside of the track, right to the outside, right to the outside. Yeah, that's good. That's what you want to do. Right towards the grass. Stay really wide, stay wide, stay wide, stay wide. Now turn in. Yep, oh, we turned a little bit late, but that's okay. A little bit more brakes. Yep, now turn in, hit that apex, and right to the outside of the track. Yeah, on the power, on the power, on the power. That's good, very good. And then just foot to the floor all the way down the straight. But before long, despite the lack of power, Angel was overtaking people with ease, and we even got into a bit of a duel with my friend Jack's 540i. That's it, take Jack. Oh, Jack. Okay, no, back off now, back off. Let him have it, let him have it. Jack doesn't want to get overtaken by you. Foot down, hard down. Yep, stay hard down. Jack's going, yep. So just follow him. Keep your foot hard down, hard down, hard down. That's it, that's good. Oh my gosh, Jack's got so much grey smoke coming out the back. Jack's car stinks.
It does.
It's burning.
We need to turn the thing.
It's burning so much oil.
We need to turn the thing to inside. I'm getting gassed out by Jack.
On the power, and out wide, really wide, really wide. You can aim like way over that side of the track if you want.
Can we beat him?
Yeah, go on. You get him. Just stay in it, stay in it. Yep, stay in it, stay in it. That's it, that's it. Now start braking. Let the Corvette have him. Now go, go. Foot down, go. You'll make it. Yep, that's good. Follow Jake, we'll get them. Go. Yep, that's fine. You'll get them. Right, start braking now. Start braking. Brake. Brake hard so you don't hit Jack. Yeah, and now hard on the power. Go on the power. It's like he's getting away from you. Here we go. Jack's on the move in the 540. Yep. Brake. Yeah. I don't know what he's doing anyway. Yeah, so I turn. And now foot down. Yep. That's why you got to be a little bit wearisome of these newbies because they don't often do what you expect, but that's fine. Yeah, we'll get them easy. The BRZ is faster than the Altezza. See you, mate. The Suzuki Alto. Goodbye. A lot faster than him. Yeah, and take them up the inside. Yeah, he'll stay there. Yep, so just go up the inside. Nice. Just don't be scared. Go for it. Yeah, that's it. We had a few mishaps where the learnings went out the window for a brief moment.
Oh,
where are you going?
Huh?
Where are you going?
I don't know.
Wait more. Oh, man, you didn't change down.
Nope.
Yep. And now we got no power, babes. We got no power.
Oh no. He's got no power.
You've only been overtaken by a Yaris GR and a Corvette, and you've overtaken everyone else. You're absolutely flying along. So to see how much she'd learned over the course of 4 sessions, we decided to go in for a hot lap. Start. There we go. Right. Okay, so keep going, and now start braking. Start braking. Quite hard. Harder. Yep. Bit more. More brakes. Yep. Turn it in. Start accelerating. Yeah, that's good. Alrighty, start turning back off a little bit. Back off from the accelerator. Just hold that speed. And start braking now. Turn in. Turn more. Yeah, that's it. Accelerate out. Just through this corner. Aim for the grass. Braking. Now start turning in. Turn more. Yeah, that's it. On the power. Good. Excellent. Oh, you didn't use all the track, but that's okay. No one behind us. Yeah, no, we're good. There we go. Stay in it. Foot down. There we go. We'll go up to fourth. And now start braking. Yeah, that's good. A little bit more brakes. Now turn in. Yeah, nice. And on the power now. That's good. We're doing well. Keep your foot in it. Keep going. Now start braking. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, stay wide. We'll go third gear here. Turn. Hit the apex. Start getting on the power now. Run right to the outside of the track. Nice, that's good. And then just foot down, hard down, all the way to the finish line. There we go.
Yeah.
And across the line. And on the brakes, start braking. You've got to remember to still brake. Did a 137. In fact, in the last session of the day, Angel managed to pull out a 1:35.8, which put her a decent way up our Manfield leaderboard time. Annoyingly, a coil pack started to go on my BMW in the first session, so we'll have to come back next January to see if that can knock my ISF off the top spot. Well, there we go. Overall, you've done extremely well for your first time out on track. You got the line sorted, you got the braking point sorted, you're changing all your own gears, and you're having a lot of fun.
Yeah, thanks, babe. I'm getting there.
Yeah. Next time we'll come back with something a bit faster.
Yes.
Yes. Well, there we go. Thanks very much for watching this episode of Kiwi Car Life. And we look forward to seeing...
Thanks.